All right, so you have a text and you want to capitalize it, each and every word in that text. And do you see sort of a problem with this? Do you see on the left is the original and on the right is what's called title case, or in Google Sheets term proper? You'll see there's a difference between these two things. One of them is that there's an apostrophe S, and the S is capitalized. But we're using proper, which is the actual built-in function inside of not in AppScript, in Google Sheets. It's one of the most used ones, and it's capitalizing. It's doing this wrong. It's not capitalizing the first character of every word. It's capitalizing after this apostrophe as well. But I created my own where only the first letter is capitalized, not after the apostrophes. And I'm going to show you how to do this and how to add a little bit extra stuff. So go up to Extensions, AppScript. If you want to type this out yourself, go ahead. We're going to call it function title. We're going to take some input text. That is the name of it. We can rename this any text if we want, and not that it is literally text, but it is like any text. We're going to save that. We're going to take that words, which will split with just this little split with a space. So every space will be split. And then we're going to map a function where each and every word, we're going to get the character that's at 0, which is the very first character. We're going to uppercase it, and then we're going to slice it and everything to lowercase and put them all together, put everything together in this join. So that means if we have some improper capitalization, we don't have it here. And the same can be done here, right? This proper is doing that correctly, but we're also doing that. We're making sure that only the first character is capitalized, but we're also making sure that not after the apostrophe. So this is what the title, this function title is doing. But I want to make it run like a custom function inside of Google Sheets. And all I have to do is add this little text at the beginning, which is at custom function. I'm going to hit save, and now I'm going to copy and paste this. And if I hit equals TIT equal title, there it is. It's now showing up, and now it shows me this input. Any text, it has some other information if I want to add that there, but I just want to make it run like a native function, and it's doing that now. And we can name this anything we want. Title, we can say title each letter. Each word, not title. We can call it capitalize each word. So hit save, make sure it's saved, and now instead of title equals capitalize each word. So we can name this anything we want. We can even create multiple of them if we don't remember the name. Title case, maybe, or title case each word. All of these are doing exactly the same. They all have at custom function, and now they'll all show up. So we can also rename title case. We can also add title if we want, if we don't remember that it's fully title case. So we just start typing equals title. We have title case each word. We have equals capitalize each word there, and they all work the same way because they're each the same AppScript. And so we can create basically a better proper or a better function than already exists inside of Google Sheets. And also I wanted to make sure you remember this, that you can create multiple AppScripts and multiple functions with different names that do the exact same thing. If for some reason you may create an AppScript for a function that you have multiple names for, and I think that's really awesome too, because this proper is not really, I've never heard this nomenclature, proper. I always hear title case or headline case, headline this, right? If you want to create this function for creating headlines or capitalizing correctly headlines, maybe you want to call it headline case. Whatever you want to do, you can now do that here in AppScript with this at custom function. I think really, really cool.